Hey there, guys. Today I want to talk to you about the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This little powerhouse is perfect for keeping your home and car clean and tidy. First of all, it's great for multi-surface use. Whether you need to remove hair, dirt, or debris from carpets, car interiors, furniture, or high-traffic areas, this vacuum has got you covered. The lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. Plus, the onboard extension means you won't need to bend over as often, saving your back from strain. But that's not all. The rotating slim nozzle fits into tight spaces at different angles, and the pull-out crevice tool access is hard to reach areas like between couch cushions and on top of shelves. The flip-up brush adds an extra layer of versatility for dusting and vacuuming upholstery, while the cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the filter, supplying consistently strong suction power. And when it comes time to empty the dirt bowl, you'll love the easy view feature, allowing you to see when it's time to empty it without having to touch the dirt. Plus, the washable dirt bowl and filter can be cleaned right in the sink, making maintenance a breeze. With cordless cleaning powered by a lithium-ion battery, this handheld vacuum is perfect for larger jobs, requiring quick cleanup. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, be sure to check out the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Just click the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching.